In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import QuickBooks journal entries in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for those who've been wondering about the quickest way to get their accounting journal entries into QuickBooks Online without any hassle. Let's dive right into the details, and by the time we're finished, you'll be proficient at importing these entries smoothly. To begin, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. If you have your computer ready and your account set up, great. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. QuickBooks is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and accessing it online allows you to do your books from anywhere there's internet access. Now, once you've arrived at the QuickBooks Online homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll spot the Sign In button. Give it a click. Once you've clicked on Sign In, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter your email and password. Input these credentials, make sure you use the email linked to your QuickBooks account, and ensure that the password is correct, taking care to check for any caps, lock errors, or typos. If you ever forget your password, QuickBooks provides an option to reset it, so don't worry too much about that. After filling in your details, you'll find another Sign In button, usually located just below the email and password fields. Clicking this button will begin the process of logging you into your account. As you're granted access, you'll be welcomed into your QuickBooks Home dashboard. This is your central hub filled with valuable information about your business finances. Now we'll start the journey of importing your journal entries. With your dashboard in sight, your task is to locate and click the New button. You should see this option somewhere near the top of your screen, usually highlighted to draw your attention. Clicking New will unveil a drop-down menu which contains various options for different types of entries you might want to make. From this menu, your focus should be on selecting Journal Entry. Clicking on Journal Entry takes you to a specialized screen designed for inputting your detailed accounting entries. This feature is incredibly resourceful, allowing you to keep your financial records straight and detailed. The next step involves clicking Import. What this does is it opens up another option for you to bring in data from an external source, typically in the form of a CSV file. CSV files are a very common format for exporting and importing data due to their simplicity and widespread compatibility with various software tools. Now, onto the actual importing. At this juncture, you need to locate the CSV file on your computer that contains the journal entries you wish to import. Ensure that you've carefully prepared this CSV file according to QuickBooks specifications. This includes having the correct column headers and ensuring that the data is correctly formatted. Doing a quick check before you try to import helps prevent errors and make the transition as smooth as possible. Once you're ready to browse your computer, a prompt appears allowing you to select the file. Navigate through your folders, locate the CSV file in question and select it. Double check the file to make sure it is indeed the one you wish to import, as uploading the wrong file could mean additional work to correct the errors. After successfully selecting your CSV file, the final step is to complete the importation process. QuickBooks' intuitive interface usually guides you through any final confirmations needed to ensure everything is in place. This easy-to-follow procedure allows your journal entries to be integrated into QuickBooks seamlessly, ensuring that your financial records are up to date without laborious data entry tasks. So, there you have it. You've learned how to import journal entries into QuickBooks in a matter of just 5 minutes. Remember to take the time to review any imported entries for accuracy to ensure everything corresponds with your records. Regularly updating your financial records in QuickBooks helps keep your bookkeeping current and enables you to make informed business decisions based on accurate data. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Make sure to stay tuned for more practical, quick guides to mastering tools that enhance your business operations efficiently. Thanks for joining me, and have a fantastic day as you navigate your organizational finances with newfound ease.